Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a pumpkin garden. First, select an ideal location for your pumpkin patch. Pumpkins thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, enrich your soil with plenty of organic matter, like compost, to ensure good drainage and nutrient availability. Finally, plant your pumpkin seeds about 1 inch deep, giving them ample space to spread out. Once your pumpkins begin to grow, consistent care is crucial. Water them deeply, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week, particularly when the weather is dry. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer to support healthy growth. Also, keep your garden free of weeds, as they compete for vital nutrients and water. Mulching can help suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. Successful pumpkin growth relies on good pollination. Encourage bees to visit your garden or consider hand-pollinating female flowers for better fruit set. Keep a close eye out for common garden pests such as squash bugs and powdery mildew. Early detection is key. Employ organic pest control strategies like neem oil or insecticidal soap to protect your pumpkins without harming beneficial insects or the environment. Knowing when to harvest is essential for delicious pumpkins. Wait until the pumpkin's skin is firm and a deep, consistent color, and the stem has dried and hardened. Cut the pumpkin from the vine, leaving a few inches of stem attached. After harvesting, cure your pumpkins in a warm, dry spot for 10 to 14 days to extend their shelf life. This process enhances their flavor and storage quality. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.